Well, some people will be doing whatever they can tonight to stay warm, even using space heaters or their ovens. If so, there are precautions that need to be taken. First News reporter Desiree Gosselin has more on how to keep you safe and warm. Her story is new at 11.
According to the National Fire Protection Association, there are close to 50,000 house fires caused by heating equipment every year. More than 80% are from space heaters.
Don't ever leave them unattended. Make sure they're plugged into the wall outlet directly.
We've all heard never plug your space heater into an extension cord. But why?
Extension cords aren't normally rated to cover space heaters. They draw a large amount of electricity, and you could overheat the extension cords, which would cause a fire.
And clear the area around the heater at least 2 to 3 feet.
And make sure you have a safety barrier between them where nothing's around them, because they could get up to 600 degrees to touch.
Captain David Cook from the Youngstown Fire Department says not to go to sleep with the space heater on, even if it has an automatic shutoff.
Technology sometimes fails. Do you want to risk your life to failing technology? I don't.
And lastly, don't heat your home with an oven.
Remember, your oven is not meant to heat a large area. They're not vented properly. So if you're leaving your oven open, or what some people call leaving the eye on the stove, one of the burners burning, the venting process isn't there, so carbon monoxide becomes an issue then.
Reporting in Youngstown, Desiree Gosselin, WKBN 27 First News.